In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is, which of the following is dense in R is equal to. Solution. In definition, a subset S of a topological space xt is called now here dense if S is equal to X, since Q conjugate is equal to R. Also note that Q power C whole conjugate is equal to R, so the set of irrational number is also dense in R. So option D is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.